It is alleged that Tamia and Andile Mpisane have divorced. Hello everyone and welcome back to Mzansi TV. Guys, hi boo. Someone told my Pepandaba that the divorce between Tamia and Andile has been finalized. And if you check Tamia's Instagram, she recently changed her surname from Mpisane to Lu, if that's how you pronounce it. But then again, come to think of it, recently we've seen that Tamia no longer wears her ring. But also, if they are really divorced, then explain why Andile posted her on the 10th of May, which is very recent, wishing her a happy Mother's Day. Also, it is alleged that Tamia no longer follows Andile, but when I check, they still follow each other. So kahle what's going on? Or maybe let's just say it's one of the haters. Guys, I personally think there's no divorce or anything like that. It's just that maybe they're going through a rough patch, hence you see Tamia changing her surname or no longer wears her ring. You remember that the family is going through SARS problems now, so maybe it's just a lot going on behind closed doors. But as for divorce, I don't believe it. Please comment down below what you think and I'll catch you later. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Bye for now.